I'm Adam Carthy. I run Spaceplay. I'm the founding director. And Spaceplay is a microbusiness that focuses on architectural model making. And we use foam packaging to build hollow shapes that can hold objects securely. The process up until now has been done manually, drawing things manually in computer software. So in this project, what we're looking to do is to automate this using algorithms and AI, optimizing the shapes. So Flo's been a friend of mine for a few years now, and he could see the things that I was doing and perhaps see the potential that I couldn't see. And so thought there'd be an interesting opportunity to collaborate on exploring machine learning, essentially, and utilizing AI within the systems.
My background is essentially in artificial intelligence and the way to solve problems using algorithms. And when I've seen what Spaceplay was doing, I was like, we can come up with an algorithmic solution. The main algorithm is to identify these key surfaces on the model that you can maybe see here. We can, after, cut a foam that's going to sit very tight around them, and that's how we make the packaging.
It makes it much more accurate, it makes it much quicker, but also improves the commercial opportunity of it.
I've known Adam for a number of years, and we've shared a couple of different studio spaces together. So Adam's helped me with laser cutting, where we've taken one of my sculptures, and in the beginning, Adam would manually kind of trace it, and we'd have to do a few prototypes to try and get that foam insert, which was quite a sort of time-consuming process. And when I'm creating artworks, I'm not usually just making one, so it'll be 50 or 100 of the same thing. So it's really good for Adam to be able to do that quickly and laser cut the inserts for a whole edition of these things. So this is a finished piece, custom made box, screen printed, and then Adam has done the foam for this. And it's done in different layers, so you've got a kind of top protective piece, and then the cutout which holds the actual piece inside. But yeah, it just creates kind of a much more premium feel. If someone's spending money, especially on artwork, you want them to receive something and be really happy, and it really looks the part. So I think the foam really helps with that. And it doesn't just look good, it obviously really protects the piece when it's being shipped. And I'm often shipping stuff not just in the UK, it's going all around the world.
The funding brings us two things, and I believe the first one is time. Time for me as an academic to have dedicated time that I can spend on a project. And for Spaceplay, some time as well to take away from his main business, but because it's funded, to be able to try new things that he will not be able to do.
There's been business support to help me think about approaching things more commercially minded. AI still seems like magic to me a little bit, but this project has allowed me to interact with it and to start to understand it and start to see how it can be implemented practically into outputs that will help my business.